Hi, Danica here. I'm a WordPress developer focused on building LMS websites. And in this channel, I'm gonna discuss different plugins and ways for you to create your LMS site with WordPress. And I'm also gonna talk about different apps that also I use. So if you're interested with those topics, you could subscribe and hit the notification button so that I could keep you posted whenever I have a new video upload. Now for this video, I saw this question in Facebook. So in here it says, "Hi, is there something easier to work with than Member Vault, which is free?" I think that's free. Yeah, it's just covering my face, but which is free also for less than 100 members. Thank you. Okay, so I saw that in Facebook and I just want to help and answer that questions. Now, most of the LMS site that I build, it's either using LearnDash or Memberium or Access Ally. Those are my top apps that I use. But in terms of free, there's actually a lot. So I'm gonna start testing different plugins so that you also see like the differences. But for this one, I looked at the WordPress.org website, and under plugins, if you type in LMS, you could see that there's a bunch of options in here. So what I tried is, I think I tried Sensei, but it was only very quick. I also tried the Lifter and so on, but we're gonna go over this. And then I've tried Paid Members Pro, but let's just try the Tutor LMS because that's the top right now on the list. I mean, so let's just check it out. So you could download the plugin for free, and they have some links in here, some tutorials, and so on. I haven't tried this Tutor LMS plugin yet, so this is actually my first time. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna open my test WordPress here that I installed locally. Again, if you haven't installed your local WordPress yet, you could check out my other videos. I discuss how easy it is to set up a local WordPress hosting, like local WordPress location, so that especially if you're just testing out and you don't want to mess with your hosting and stuff and you don't want to pay for anything yet, you could use local WP for free and check things out like this one. So I'm just gonna test this, so local WP, and because I just want to try the plugin right away, so I'm gonna install the plugin. So it's named Tutor LMS. Click install, and then as you can see, they have lots of add-ons. It's kind of like LearnDash, they have different add-ons, so it's kind of interesting to see. And then they have Tutor LMS for Elementor. So they have this widget, which is, I think, great. Now you could get this. They said they have the free version, so they have this demo. Okay, I'm gonna select individual, and then in here, public profile. So allow user to have public profile to showcase awards and completed goals. I'm just gonna turn that on. I'm gonna turn this off for now. I'm not sure what that is yet. Toggle to use the default WordPress player. Maybe if you wanna use the default player, lessons log, and I'm just gonna proceed to the next. Course row, yep. 3 column, post per page, yep. Show instructor bio, question and answer, yep. I'm gonna leave that on. Time limit, no. So when time expires, the current quiz answers are submitted automatically. So if you set some time limit, then that's what's gonna happen. Attempted, highest grade. Again, you could check out this, but for now, I'm just going through each steps very quickly. Show reviews, completed course. Again, you could turn this on. Payment, guest checkout, logging in. So they could buy and consume content without logging in. So I'm gonna turn this on for now. I wanna see how it looks. Okay, if I do add-ons, got that. These are the available add-ons, so you could buy this. But then I'm just gonna enable this. Okay, so they have for Zoom integration, and then okay, and they have report, prerequisite, Google Classroom. That's nice. Let's just check how much this costs. Pricing. Okay, so you could get a license for 1 year, 149. That cost actually is kind of similar to LearnDash, but this one has a lot of add-ons and so on. And then there's a 30-day money-back guarantee, no auto renewal, which is also good. So you could, if this doesn't work, you could ask for a refund within 30 days. Okay, so let's just ignore all of this right now, but looks good. And let's just see what the free thing could do. So let's see courses. Oh, by the way, before I proceed, I'm going to deactivate Memberium because I think I installed that in here, and I'm gonna install Elementor for free. So we haven't purchased anything at this moment. So Elementor for free, and then they also have, it's taking some time, activate that. I'm gonna add another one, which is, I saw that they have the extension for Elementor, so I'm gonna check that out. It's the same developer, so I'm sure that they still did create that. They also have one for Oxygen. I think that's Oxygen Builder. Okay, I'm just gonna install whatever I think I'm gonna need, and I'm gonna stick to, as long as it's the same developer, so Themium. Okay, and then I'm gonna activate that as well. So everything is for free right now, and let's just check out their website. And by the way, this is Memberium shortcodes, so I'm just gonna create a new page if I need to later. But let's just check out the Tutor LMS right away. So courses, and then I'm just gonna create like course 1. I wanna see how this looks because I have tried LearnDash, Access Ally before, though, and then Memberium. So I'm kind of familiar with how the courses needs to be set up. I also tried like Teachable, ThinkFic, those kinds of softwares for building LMS sites module. So I'm just gonna quickly build this one. So course 1, and then content goes here. Maximum student. Okay, you could have like maximum student, difficulty levels. Okay, course duration. These are details, intro videos. Okay, let's just say I'm gonna grab my YouTube video here. That video. Okay, so what I'm gonna do when I am testing out, I'm just gonna copy and paste everything in here so that I wanna see where it goes. Okay, so let's just say 10 hours and 30 minutes and 15 seconds. Okay, And then on the right side, okay, maximum students. Let's just say I'm gonna limit this to 20. All levels. Okay, or else maybe beginners. And then make this course public, no enrollment required. Okay, so you could make it public. And then, so let's just save this before we proceed because I wanna see how it looks. Okay, so in here, this is how it looks. So you have the video, intro video on the side, and you have this in here with some details. This is just my theme. So I'm gonna let me switch to a cleaner theme so that it doesn't conflict with how it looks. Okay, let's try that again. Okay, so this is now my course. So I have instructor, enroll now. Now I don't think you could see this, but I'm just gonna open this in an incognito right away. Okay, let me open a new window in here so that I could show you how the incognito looks. Incognito window. So as you can see, okay, so this one, if I'm not logged in as an admin, then if I try to click enroll now, I could see that it's asking me to log in. Okay, and then let's just continue editing this to see what more it could do. So I'm gonna continue here, and then let's just say I'm gonna, okay, so this is the course content, benefit. Okay, which is, I think it's nice. So 1 per line, so 1 per line. Okay, and I'm gonna save it again. Let's refresh. I think my face is, I'm gonna make myself smaller here. So this is how it looks. So you have the benefits, and then this is the requirements. It's good because it's auto style. There's a check marks and stuff and so on. Total enrolled, beginner's course by. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let's just say make it public. Oh, okay, so before I do that, I'm gonna add a new topic. Let's say topic 1 summary, and then on that topic, okay, so maybe this could be, okay, start here. Welcome, check out the lessons below to get started, something like that, and then update the topic. And I could add the lessons. So let's say lesson 1, lesson content, and then I could upload some image. So what I'm gonna do is, because I wanna check this out how this looks, so I'm gonna go to Pexels. There's some free stock images in there. So let's just say course, and then let's just say I'm gonna grab this because I love coffee. And then I'm gonna upload that. Okay, update the lesson. I'm gonna grab my YouTube video here. Hold on. So let's just go back to the lesson 1. So did I set up? Okay, so that's the image, and the video is this one. And let's just say the video plays for 30 minutes. And then I could add attachments. So let's check if I have some. I'm just gonna do the image again as an attachment, since this is just an example. Okay, and then let's just check this out. So I'm gonna save and then refresh. Okay, so I could see that I have my intro video here, and then I could also see that I have the lessons here, and then I could, can I click this? Nope. Okay, so I need to be enrolled. So if I open this in an incognito window, okay, so in my incognito window, if I refresh, Okay, if I try to click the video, does it work? Okay, so you really need to be enrolled. So let's try enrolling as an admin. So I'm gonna enroll as an admin. Enroll now. Okay, now that I have enrolled, it changed to this. And then in here I have notice by the way, notice the featured image. It was that coffee that we have set. And then I'm gonna click start course. Okay, so this is lesson 1. So I have the video. By the way, ignore the stop part because this is your team. This is my team acting up. I need to set that. So you could ignore that. And then in here, this is your video. And this is your attachment that you could download, which is the PDF the JPEG that you just attach very quickly. But I could play my video in here. Okay, and then I know that also there's a Q&A if you want. Then I could go back to the course homepage. Okay. Now let's add another one. So I'm gonna add another one. Can I duplicate this? No. Okay, so I'm just gonna add another one very quickly. I hope I'm not making you dizzy if I'm too quick. But I just wanna try things out here very quickly. Go to image. Okay. Video source. YouTube. And let's say this time this is 20 minutes and 10 seconds. Again, I'm just repeating my images here as an attachment and as the featured image. Okay, so I'm gonna refresh and then I now have lesson 2. Now I'm gonna check because I'm not sure why the featured image did not get loaded. Maybe I missed it. Okay, I'm gonna try that again. Okay, update. Okay, then update. And then refresh. Okay, now I have the image. So okay. So start the course. If I click start the course, so I could complete this and then could proceed to, I'm still in lesson 1 and then I could proceed to lesson 2. Okay, and then go to the course homepage. And then in my progress, as you can see, I am 50% complete. It's actually pretty good and it's very fast so far. If I make this public, maybe you wanna try a trial right away, or maybe under introduction you just wanna show it to your audience right away. You could do that, enable that, and then as you can see that change and I could start learning and accessing the content even if I haven't purchased or logged in or registered to the course. Now I'm gonna put this again, turn that off again. Let's try adding featured image. Okay, I hope I could easily duplicate this. Let's go back to the courses. Okay, there's no duplicate functionality. Okay, I'm gonna add new one, but this time I'm gonna name, of course, course 2. I'm just gonna repeat, or maybe should I get maybe this one like this. Course duration, maybe just 2 hours. Okay, I'm just gonna add this very quickly. And then that's course 2. Okay, if I go to the courses, this link, I could see my courses in here. So course 1, course 2, and then there's some enrolled time and so on. You could see that I am enrolled to continue courses, which is great. Okay, so that's for the course list. And then let's just check out other sections in here. So categories, tags, I'm sure you could attach that in your courses. I now have the student, so I'm enrolled, announcement, Q&A, quiz attempts, add-ons, settings. So you could do a lot of stuff in here. WooCommerce. So the great thing is you could add this or integrate this with WooCommerce right away. So in terms of payment, so WooCommerce is free. So again, you're not paying for anything yet. So I'm gonna try very quickly the quiz because I think we are already at least this gives us an idea. Do note that this is my first time using the Tutor LMS, so I'm gonna record more videos like this and try to individualize or navigate through the settings and to share to you how this plugin works. So I love Memberium and LearnDash, but this free one or another new plugin also is great, and this is my first time. It's kind of interesting. So the quiz, if we check out the quiz, let's just say quiz 1. So quiz details. Okay. Save and next. Add question. So question 1, true or false. And then you could do single choices, multiple choices, and so on, which is great. So let's just say true or false. Answer is required. Display the points. Description goes here. The correct option. So I'm just gonna say, okay, what? Like that. I'm just putting anything for now. Then save answer. Save and continue. And the next. You could limit it, so let's just say 10 minutes. Okay. Quiz feedback. Unlimited attempt. Answer shows after question is finished. That's a default. Okay, and then this is like the later. I think this I prefer. Reveal it after finishing the entire quiz. Okay, and then save. Let me close this. Okay, so there's an advanced options in here. So quiz auto start, the layout, hide questions, and so on. You could check that out. Again, we're gonna go over with those on the later videos because this plugin interests me. Kinda interesting. So quiz, let's try that. So this is how it works. And then start quiz. And then you could do true or false. True. Okay, you have the correct one. Yay! Got that. So again, I think I'm gonna stop here. So in terms of payment, the great thing about this is it is integrated with WooCommerce. I'm not yet sure if there's other plugins that you could use, like maybe directly to Stripe or PayPal for this plugin. But you know, WooCommerce integrates with PayPal and Stripe and other payment gateway. So it's very flexible and it's free. So basically you're not paying for anything yet. Though you need to set up those stuff, but you don't have any monthly payments and so, which is great. Elementor is free. Of course, you could get the pro version. Tutor is free, but again, pro version. And then WooCommerce is free. And what is required with WooCommerce is just you need to set up your product, set up the payment gateways, and so on. But it's completely free. But example, if you wanna, let's just say you're using ActiveCampaign or Infusionsoft, which is Keap right now. So you could install a paid plugin, which is ActiveWoo or InfuseTool, and that integrates with WooCommerce right away. Or else you could use plugin like Zapier, which is again great. So I think this one is an answer to those people who are looking for a free LMS plugin, and maybe you just want to try your course out there, but you don't want to purchase any you don't want to pay for any subscription yet. And of course, when things goes well, you could easily upgrade to the Pro version, which gives you a lot of options. But again, Tutor LMS is very, I like it, so I'm gonna continue recording videos about it. And if you have any question about Tutor LMS, you could comment that down below so that maybe on the next video I could cover those. So I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.